Hi, this is a tutorial for people who are interested in upgrading their PC's RAM but are unsure of what type and how much to get. We will identify these issues using Windows 7. In 3 steps, this tutorial will show you how to determine the brand and model number of your motherboard, how to establish the amount of RAM your PC can support, how to establish what memory speed your PC can support, and how to use this information to find exactly the right RAM. All you will need is access to the PC you want to upgrade, access to the internet, and a willingness to make your PC faster. Step 1 is about identifying your motherboard in Windows 7. We can begin by clicking the Start button. We then select Control Panel. Click on View Devices under Hardware and Sound. Double-click the PC icon. It will not be called Ryan PC, but it will share the same image or icon as mine does. As you can see, this opens the Properties window of your PC. As you can see, this window allows you to identify the manufacturer of your motherboard. The Properties window also allows you to identify the model number of your motherboard. Please copy this and save it for Step 2. Congratulations, that's the end of Step 1. You now know what your motherboard manufacturer and model number is. This information will help you to move on to Step 2, which is determining how much RAM your motherboard can support and what kind of RAM your motherboard can support. For Step 2, we open our web browser, go to the Google website, type in your motherboard manufacturer name, type in or paste the model number of your motherboard and search. Click the link to your motherboard manufacturer's web page. It always has the most detailed information. This is what your manufacturer web page will look like, but you'll need specifics. So look around for a specification tab. Find and select the specification tab. The Specifications tab will show you all of the things your motherboard can support, whether it be processors, graphics cards, audio equipment, memory. Basically anything you need to know about your motherboard can be found here. Locate the memory section. The memory section will show how much RAM your PC can support. And it also shows you what type of RAM your PC can support, and you should make a note of this for Step 3. That is the end of Step 2. You now know what kind of RAM and how much of it your PC can support. This will help you buy the right RAM and also sound knowledgeable at the computer store. Now we move on to Step 3. Step 3 is finding the right RAM. Many retailers have options to help you find the best RAM. This demonstration shows you how to use site features to do exactly that. By way of example, let's start at canadacomputers.com. We're going to select computer hardware. Sometimes on other sites this will be listed as computer components. Select computer memory. Sometimes on other websites this is listed as just memory or DDR3 memory. And select desktop memory. Select the type of DDR RAM your computer supports. You found that on the Specifications tab of the manufacturer's website. Again, referring to your manufacturer's website, select the compatible RAM type. Now, in using these site filters, we have developed a list, all of which are compatible with your system. It's just a question now of deciding how much you need and what manufacturer you like. And that is it. Now you know how to identify your motherboard manufacturer and model number. You know the type and amount of RAM your motherboard can hold, and now you know how to use site filters to find the RAM you need online. Before you finish this tutorial, I wanted to make a couple recommendations. Firstly, not all computer stores are made equal. My favorite retailers personally are NCIX, Newegg, Canada Computers, Tiger Direct. You can often find very good deals on RAM in spring sales and the like. If you feel like you might be paying too much, then just wait a couple weeks and chances are there will be a sale. And thirdly, if you liked my tutorial, please visit me at sites.google.com/site/RyanCowling/ to learn more about how I can help you craft a similarly simple and effective process demo to convey exactly the right message to your audience. So thanks so much for watching. I hope it helped, and thank you.